Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. Commercial mortgage-backed securities, CMBS, are a type of fixed income investment product that offers a unique opportunity for investors and commercial lenders. Unlike residential mortgage-backed securities, CMBS are backed by mortgages on commercial properties. This distinction can offer a variety of benefits and challenges for investors looking to diversify their portfolios or gain exposure to the commercial real estate market. What are CMBS? CMBS are bonds that are secured by a pool of commercial mortgage loans. These loans are typically for properties such as office buildings, shopping centers, hotels, and multifamily apartment complexes. The mortgages within a CMBS provide the collateral, ensuring that investors receive their principal and interest payments even if some borrowers default. The structure and complexity of CMBS. One of the key characteristics of CMBS is that their structures are not standardized. This lack of standardization means that each CMBS can be quite different from another, making their valuation complex and sometimes challenging for investors. The underlying securities in a CMBS can include a diverse range of commercial mortgages with varying terms, values, and property types. This variety can impact the risk profile and potential returns of the CMBS. Comparison with other securities. CMBS share similarities with other types of structured debt products such as collateralized debt obligations, CDOs, and collateralized mortgage obligations, CMOs. Like CDOs and CMOs, CMBS are issued in the form of bonds. The income generated from the underlying mortgage loans is used to pay interest and principal to investors. This structure can provide a steady stream of income, which is particularly attractive to fixed income investors. Benefits of investing in CMBS. One of the primary benefits of CMBS is the liquidity they provide to the real estate market. For real estate investors, CMBS can be a valuable tool for raising capital. Commercial lenders, on the other hand, can use CMBS to free up capital that can be reinvested in new loans or other opportunities. This liquidity is crucial for the health and growth of the commercial real estate market. Investing in CMBS can also offer diversification benefits. By investing in a pool of commercial mortgages, investors can spread their risk across different properties and geographic locations. This diversification can help mitigate the impact of a default on any single mortgage. Risks and considerations. Despite their benefits, CMBS come with certain risks. The complexity and variability in the structure of CMBS can make them difficult to evaluate. Investors need to conduct thorough due diligence to understand the specific characteristics and risk factors associated with a particular CMBS. Another risk is related to the performance of the commercial real estate market. Economic downturns or declines in property values can negatively impact the performance of the underlying mortgages, leading to potential losses for investors. Additionally, changes in interest rates can affect the value and yield of CMBS, making them sensitive to the broader economic environment. CMBS represent a significant segment of the fixed income market, offering unique opportunities and challenges for investors. Their ability to provide liquidity and diversification makes them an attractive option for those looking to invest in commercial real estate indirectly. However, the complexity and potential risks associated with CMBS require careful analysis and understanding. As with any investment, it's crucial to weigh the potential benefits against the risks to make informed decisions.